So what we did was we basically highlighted all the teams that we thought where the score predicted they would win, and sure enough, they won. So for this column here, the average weighted score, how many correct? Is it 11? Okay. What about the median score? How many did we get right there? 8? How about home and away? 9? Okay. 9, 8. How about average all? What? 9? Okay. All right. Looks like you're all wrong. You all fail. So it is. It was the average weighted score that gave us the best prediction on who would win these games or not. And in fact, it's pretty substantial. I mean, we got 2 games that we wouldn't have got. So we were just surveying 15 of these games, right? Using strictly numbers, using mathematics, we predicted 11 out of 15. I bet if you went and looked at some of the pundits, some of these experts that are supposed to predict these games, I bet we got a higher score than they did. I guarantee it. And again, it might be obvious to, some person that Dallas is a better team than Chicago, but the numbers don't know that. And we used what these teams did in the past to predict what they are likely to do in the future. Okay? And based on this, the average weighted score gives us the best ability out of all these different methods to predict the winner and loser. Now, what I'm not talking about is this is just to predict winner and loser. What else? What other metric are we concerned with, right? What? Or just scores, right? How close we were to the score. And what I'm going to do a little bit later is we're going to talk about how we're going to graph these things compared to the actual score. And what you'll see visually is which one actually gives you the closest metric to that actual score. And we'll do that in a minute. But remember, your assignment was to pick a game where the algorithm was incorrect. And so now we have to figure out what went wrong. Okay? And I told you that I would do the Bronco game, so I will.